Hello and welcome to a new season of MACC with me, Meg Allen Cole, your home coach, your DIY expert, and your friend of a whole bunch of years. So we are starting off a new season here, and today I'm going to start with 7 self-care things that we can do for our health. And I just want to give you a little heads up of all the fun that's coming your way. First of all, keyword here is fun. It's a new year. In this space, what you can expect in the new season is lots of fun, fantastic videos about home decor, a little DIY thrown in there, and some great conversations about empowering ourselves and our health. So you will definitely be getting to take a gander in more spaces of my home than where I work. So that's coming up. But right now, let's just dive into some very healthy things that I've been doing that are right for me. We all have to find what works for us for our own healthy lifestyle. But I just want to share with you some things and some changes that I've made. And if any of my time and money and effort can help you, then that's what I am here for, my friend. So number 1, eating more plant-based meals with the help of Jessica Murnane's cookbook, One Part Plant. I am not a vegetarian or a vegan, though I have much respect for the very healthy and environmentally conscious choices those are. For me, I still need meat, but it's really, really smart and healthy for me to switch out at least 1 meal a day for a plant-based meal. And my favorite snack from this book is this banana peanut butter smoothie that you can use your favorite almond butter, whatever you want. I basically have them almost every single day, and I'm obsessed. They're very helpful if you are nauseous and you can't eat, you need some good healthy nutrients in you. Using as many all-natural products as possible. Across the board, yes, but cosmetics especially. I'm an active woman living with endometriosis and vestibular migraine, and those are both hormone-related diseases. So I want to be really careful and aware of what affects my hormones. Whether you are a man, a woman, you have these diseases or not, your hormones are always being interacted with when you use products that are not natural. We have toxins everywhere, so anytime we can switch out for an all-natural cosmetic, that's a really good, healthy choice. So I would love to share with you some products that I am digging and finding. If you're interested, let me know in the comments below if that's something that you'd like to hear about. First, I went through several different versions and I finally found an all-natural deodorant that works and that I like, and it's called Primal Pit Paste. Highly recommend it. Number 3 and 4 kind of go together. I am doing daily yoga and meditation. Yoga is a great way that my body, no matter how much pain I'm experiencing or how stiff I am or how much total, complete fatigue I am enduring, I can find poses and flows that work for me. And I'm doing this through my friend's awesome company. It's called Amaya, and you have met Michaela and Connie on here where we've done some talks together. They also do some guided meditation. So I'm doing these every single day. My surgeon actually told me that meditation changes the way that your central nervous system processes information, including pain. So doing daily meditation not only helps slow things down, ease my anxiety, it helps me sleep better, helps me be more mindful and present, but it actually helps train my brain to feel less pain. That's awesome. So I am somebody with anxiety and like an ADD brain, and I really did not think I could do this. So just start small, have realistic goals for yourself, and if you want 2 amazing, beautiful women to help guide you, check out Amaya Circle or one of their amazing programs like Back to Her. I will never tell you what to eat or what not to eat, and I do not want anyone telling me what I can eat and what I can't eat. That being said, I've had to have a conversation with myself. I now avoid gluten and dairy. It's not pretty. It was a long, dark road. My marriage almost didn't make it. Just kidding, I love you, boo. Couldn't have done it without you. I love pizza, man. I love ice cream. I love it all. But for my body to be the healthiest that it can be, I need my gut health to be where it's at, and that means avoiding gluten and avoiding dairy. So those are 2 big, huge hurdles, and it took me like months to get there. I spent way too much money on products that are disgusting and not cool. So again, if you guys want, I am definitely going to be sharing with you some really great gluten-free and dairy-free products that I have tried and tested and I can vouch for. So you eat whatever you gotta eat, man, but I'm just saying when you need to switch it out, I will help you. Lastly, this might be the most important thing that I do and that I highly recommend you doing for your life. I schedule in downtime to rest. Whether it's an actual nap or it's just binge watching some amazing show with my babe, I schedule in time to be restoring my body, being present in my home, and just relaxing and having the space to actually rest and sleep if I need to. It's super important. I highly recommend it. And you just block that off. And when someone asks you to do something that you don't want to do, you say, "Thank you so much, but I'm busy napping." Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you are having a healthy, empowering start to your year. I'm so excited for what's coming up this season on MACC. Please fill up the comment section with your thoughts. What are some healthy changes that you're doing that you are really vibing with right now? And if any of these are interesting to you, let me know what more you'd like to hear, because I love hearing from you. Be sure to subscribe to MACC. Give the video a thumbs up if you're digging it. And I will see you guys very soon with some fun home decor and maybe a little room tour. I don't know. I will see you soon.